Here's how you can empty the trash on Android phone. So let me show you how you can make it work. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so the trash folder is part of multiple different apps. Most notably, it is part of the photos, whether you're using Google Photos or even in the Samsung Gallery, like in my case. Whenever I delete something, it's not fully deleted just yet, but it is part of the trash folder. So if I tap on the three dots, I can proceed to the trash and empty it like this. Like you can obviously like recover the things in here or remove them permanently. But the trash in here works that after 30 days of inactivity, if you put folders into the trash for 30 days, they will be automatically removed and there is going to be no way of getting back to them. So that is the difference between like the trash on a laptop, where you basically can there's one trash on the computer and you can put any file in there and it doesn't go anywhere. And on the phone, we have the trash folders within individual applications, and those are usually emptied after 30 days. So as I say, not only inside of the gallery, but if I go to the Files app, like Samsung has this app which is file browser and it's called My Files, and in there, very same stuff, you can delete a document, a video, whatever, and it's going to be part of the trash folder. So similar thing, either wait 30 days for it to be emptied automatically, or you can go in here and remove stuff which you don't really need anymore. But there are like different types of trash, sort of like if you go to these settings and open up apps, you can manage the third-party apps which you have downloaded, and those which you use quite a lot might have some cached files accumulated. So if I go to an app, then proceed to the storage, I will have the ability to remove the cache, which is could be like a lot of storage, depends on the app and how you use it, and it's basically trash as well. So you can clear the cache like this, and it's gonna free up some of the storage on your device. So I hope I was able to explain that. Let me know if there is anything else which you would need help with. Like, let me know about that below in the comments. For now, that's it, and I'll see you later.